Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. They're officially up. The instant savings. Instant savings starting today. It didn't start over the weekend. Starting today, going through October 8th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Please subscribe. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing the community. I appreciate all the HARBROs and HARBROettes, and let's just keep going. Instant savings. One thing to look out for is this is going through the October 8th, likely through, is that going to be through our next parking lot sale? That's nuts to think about. And not official, but the parking lot sale, as usual, should be extended this weekend. So we'll look to see if there's any Quinn hand tools. Unlikely to be any US General carts or Franklin carts. Unlikely to be some torque wrenches, but we'll check out. Maybe there'll be some clamps. But Quinn hand tools is what we'll keep an eye for, because that's where we'll have the chance to stack. Anyway, starting with Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic light, handheld foldable slim bar work light. Don't forget the Icon 800 lumen light is on sale. It's been way deeper discounted before than this. I think it's been sub $20. HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. I think it was up to 50% off. 33 bucks, quite higher than that. I do expect it to go on sale actually more often than this and deeper discounted than this. Maybe for Black Friday, maybe for the next parking lot sale, maybe for the next flash sale, because there's a new version of this that is coming out, a G2 version of this Icon light that has not come out yet. It was shown at SEMA, or here are the G2s. They were from last year's SEMA. Anyways, G1 available, 33 bucks, but I expect a flash sale similar to the other one or some type of deep discount, 50% off. But I say all that to say this Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar light has always been compared to the Icon light, and normally at a much deeper discount. So a lot there, a lot to say about that Braun light, just that it's solid. Viking 2.8 15 amp automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger, 65 bucks, only 7% off. Luminar Outdoor 24-foot LED outdoor string lights, choice of color black or white, 22 bucks, down from $25, 12% off. We got Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact socket set, 13 piece, $18, 10% off. Warriors 10 amp 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher sander, $33. Normally 40 bucks, 17% off. Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive SAE metric high visibility socket set, 21 piece, 20 bucks, 20% off. Warriors 6 amp rotating handle variable speed reciprocating saw, $24. Also 14% off. The tubeless repair tire kit from Pittsburgh, a 9-piece, 5 bucks, 28% off. Solid discount. This gets discounted often, but good to see that in the instant savings, down to 5 bucks. Bowers 8.5 amp half-inch impact wrench with 2-inch extended anvil, $69.99 is nice, only 6% off. We continue. Hercules Alert 4.5-inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 0141 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, 10 bucks, 23% off. Merlin's brand new pistol grip tire inflator at $12, 7% off. 10-inch steel tent stakes, six pack, $6, 14% off. And we do have one. Quinn lifetime warranty plier set, 4-piece, 22 bucks, 12% off. And normally we wouldn't we wouldn't write home about that. But if the parking lot sale gets extended this weekend, these will be essentially super coupons, as happens when they're extended, the percentage off. But because it's 35% off all Quinn hand tools, and instant savings is essentially just a temporary new lower price, 9 out of 10 places so far, you should be able to stack. So at 22 bucks, 12% off, bring out the calculator. We're going to get an extra 35% off. Going to get down to $14.30. $14.30. Let's do a mini deep dive on the Quinn pliers set, but $14 normally, they don't have the price up on the website. The website's being a little bit weird this morning. $14.33, $25 normally. Overall, you're getting it 42, almost 43% off. And let's just check out. Let's see if they're here. 4.7 stars out of 5. 97% of customers would recommend. Rust like crazy. I live in a humid climate, but this is ridiculous. Have them in a toolbox. Keep a silica pack in there. All right, good to know. Great deal. First, I've been a union electrician for 24 years now. I use Klein, Greenlee, Milwaukee, Channel Lock Craftsman forever. I just got my son into the trade and gave him my hand-me-down tools, side pouch, man cave, high quality tools. We'll definitely use these for his daily. Well worth the price. Very happy with set of pliers like this. Most Harbor Freight until they go on sale. Very happy with purchase. Not too many pictures, but happy with purchase and some good reviews. Nice set of pliers, perfect for home use, solid, precise, and comfortable compared to Gear Wrench. So get them down to $14. Steal of a deal. Weekend extended parking lot sale. If they extend it, which they've only not extended once. We keep going. Drummond, 750 gallons per hour drill pump, $15, 16% off. Greenwood two-way Y-hose connector, $6, 14% off. Centec 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead, $349. Normally $5, 30% off. The 3-inch light duty swivel caster with brake, $5, 16% off. Warriors 5 TPI reciprocating saw pruning blades, 5-pack, $8, down from $10, 20% off. We have the Warrior 4-volt cordless power cutter, $30, 25% off. Now I picked this up recently and I even made a video about it, but I still haven't had the time. Well, I haven't edited it. Anyways, I've had this for a few months now and I thought it was going to save my life because I'm a razor blade type of break down my boxes. And I thought this would change my life, but it did not. It did not. Maybe if you have small hands, not that I have big hands. Maybe if you have small hands or you find it extremely difficult to cut with the blade, just did not make the world of difference that I thought it would for me. But $30, 25% off is a huge discount. Huge discount on this. Maybe to give it a flyer, but $30, maybe not the right range. Hallmaster, camo diamond braid rope, 3/8 inch by 75 foot with 225 pound capacity. $429, 28% off. Grant's Extreme foaming spray gun. I got this as well. $20, 9% off. I also included it in the video, in a video. Hopefully I can start pumping out some of those soon. $20, 9% off. Save a couple dollars. Pittsburgh's nylon pry bar installers kit, 4-piece, $549. Normally $8, 31% off. Chicago Electric premium welding glove, $629. Normally $730, 30% off. We do have an Icon Alert professional scraper, $12, 14% off, down from $14 compared to Snap-on. Pittsburgh's 3/8 inch drive impact swivel socket set, 7-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $28, 6% off. We have professional blue shop towels, 200 pack, $13, 13% off. Pittsburgh socket tray organizer 3-piece, $8, 20% off, SAE or metric as well. We have the Bauer 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets, $13, 13% off. Oil filter pliers are always clutch, down to $5, normally $9, 44% off. And I've always found these to be the most successful ones. The belt ones, I can never undo an oil filter, but these, doesn't matter if you destroy the old oil filter so much, as long as it's a replaceable one. I've always had success with these. $5, 44% off. Crazy deal. Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bin down to $2, 33% off. Nice for some organization. 33% off makes it easier to pick up a few. Warriors 130-watt hot knife, $25, 28% off is a deep discount. Doyle 9.5-inch wire crimping tool, $15, 11% off. High density foam mini roller kit, 3-piece, down to $349, only 12% off. We have the 1-inch chip brushes, 36-pack for $9, 25% off. The 20-volt cordless shear shrubber tool, only $35, 12% off. I just picked up during the parking lot sale the hedge trimmer from Bauer with the kit. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Pittsburgh 2.5-inch spring clamp, $149, 11% off. Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp, $1.19, 20% off. Steel wool 12-pack, $3, 9% off. Surprising to see this here. The Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light, $45, 25% off. I hope they do a Braun parking lot sale deal coming up or some type of flash sale, because this would be an insane stack. But for now, down to $45, 25% off. Good. Pittsburgh 20-ton hydraulic low-profile bottle jack, $50, 16% off. Bauer's large modular toolbox, $38, 5% off. Okay. Pittsburgh's 16 quart oil container with drain pan, still showing new. I feel like this has been new for a bit. $15, 25% off, down from $20. We have the Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer at $13, 27% off, solid. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty jumbo combination wrench set 6-piece, your choice, $60, down 7% off. Choice of SAE or metric. Then we have a Hallmaster 1,467-pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot E-track ratcheting tie downs, $10, 16% off. Next, Pittsburgh curved jaw locking plier set 3-piece, $11, $13 normally, 15% off. Pittsburgh again, lifetime warranty for some ball end hex set 13-piece, $6, 14% off. Choice of SAE or metric. Kenway 4-way trailer wire connection kit, 25-foot, $12, down from $15, 20% off. Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub, $7, 36% off, great deal. Ranger hard terrain gel knee pads, you know who these are for, $15, normally $18, 16% off. Then we have the Bauer 4.5-inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 0141 masonry cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $6, 33% off compared to Diablo. Hand vacuum pump at $50, normally $60, 16% off. Interesting. Holt Industries, look at these Tyrannosaurus Rex oil filter pliers. These are nuts. The other ones were nuts. These are even more nuts. Self-adjusting oil filter pliers, $12, normally $20, 40% off. Can I say still have a deal for this? That's crazy. Crazy deal. And then we have the Braun 12,000 lumen LED work light, $45, 10% off. And those are our instant savings going on through October 8th. So we're going to get familiar with these. We're going to watch these, make sure we know them intimately so that we know how to compare them with the deals that are coming up. And there will be deals that come up and we'll constantly refer to these. HARBROs know how we track these. Anyways, the big one, some good percentages off surprisingly, but the big one, of course, is the Quinn plier set 4-piece. 4 different types of pliers, diagonal go 3 different pliers. Well, I guess they're all considered pliers. Nice Q representing Quinn, some needle nose pliers, diagonal cutters. Great deal if we can stack them with the extended parking lot sale, assuming it happens, and we'll know soon. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. What do you think of the instant savings? They're now out, going on through October 8th. Anyways, I hope your parking lot sale went well. If you missed some stuff, I hope the sale gets extended. I hope your stores were stocked, and if not, I hope they're stocked this weekend. As usual, happy Harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.